We've set ourselves an aspiration to be recognised internationally as leading healthcare, excelling in quality, safety, patient experience, research, innovation and teaching, dedicated to improving health and well-being for our diverse population. So it's quite a vision.
Why is transformation important? There's a whole variety of reasons, but probably the most overriding one is that, as you will all know if you've worked in the NHS for any length of time, change is a constant. The one thing that doesn't change is change.
We actually had to go out there and find out what everybody's vision was, because it was theirs, not just ours to transfer to them.
Is we won't meet all these aspirations and these bold visions by all of us just trying to work a little bit harder, by an incremental approach. But the reality is it can only take us so far. To really meet this vision, to meet the big strategic challenges, we've got to genuinely transform so many of our services. And that involves us taking the step back, and for each and every one of us, thinking about what our role is in delivering an entirely different sort of service to the patients that we serve.
How will it take place? Well, at the heart of everything we do is the patient. And my experience of working with patient groups in renal medicine is that they are actually the most effective driver of change.
Looking in 2012 and 13, we've had more than 1 million patient attendances in our CMFT sites. So this means a lot of patient experience. It also means a lot of family and friends experience. And this also equates to a lot of staff experience.
And one of the themes I think is really important as part of this process of ownership, we have to allow patients into the system to tell us what they want.
Who's going to lead it? Everyone who has any sort of leadership position or who is responsible for any team, no matter how small, is going to be involved.
It's really handing over to colleagues like all ourselves in this room, saying, how can you make your services work better for patients? And nationally, like Simon Stevens, saying there isn't one solution to this. It's not one size fits all. If something works in your team, that's fine. That's how we're going to drive this forward.
The aim is to get every patient in the right place, seen at the right time, with the right outcome. And in order to do that, we need to transform a lot of the current services that we have.
One of our consultants at Trafford, Vimash Roy, has been looking at virtual clinics. And this is a very, very, very different way of providing a service.
I know personally the text messaging alerts makes a big difference to my clinic.
We encourage new ideas. We enforce the idea, the notion, that the individuals, the leaders through this process were being tasked to identify the solutions and own the solutions and reap the rewards of the solutions.
And that's what transformation's all about. So that's how we deliver these bold visions that we have. But all the time, the challenge for all of us, how we do this, so the patients that we're responsible for and that we care for notice a difference.
I think they emphasise to everybody that it's a journey. And part of the challenge of the journey is that it doesn't always go smooth. Vision without action is merely a dream. And I think we could easily understand the philosophy behind that. Action without vision is just passing the time, it's a pastime, it's just a hobby. However, if you can combine vision with action, we can all change the world.